When a sheep's wool grows so long it covers its eyes, that's usually the sign it's time for a haircut. In the past, shearers had to use giant scissors, clipping the wool one small section at a time. It was slow, exhausting work, and both the sheep and the workers would get tired quickly. Today, things are much easier. With electric clippers, the shearer glides along the wool, and huge sheets peel away almost like magic. The process is fast, efficient, and oddly satisfying to watch. As the clippers move across the sheep, thick layers of wool lift and roll away in massive sheets. It's smooth, quick, and strangely satisfying to watch, almost like peeling off one giant fluffy blanket. But shearing isn't as simple as it looks. Around delicate areas like the eyes and ears, the shearer has to move slowly and carefully. One small mistake could scare or hurt the sheep. That's why they gently hold the animal in position, keeping it calm and safe during the trim. When it's finally done, the sheep looks completely different, like it just took off a heavy winter coat. And if this video interested you, go check out our other posts for more awesome content.